Alrighty, we're down to our last couple of Ashley's House moving. This is the loaded mac and cheese from Active Eats. And
a little bit of a kick.
It's got a kick to it. Is this better than our loaded ghost mac and cheese?
No.
Which one's better?
The ghost.
The ghost? But it's still...
I got that one twice.
She did. But this still looks good. And our other choice, while over here, this is from Earth Eats, and this is the Impossible Slider. This is probably my most anticipated and one that I'm dreading the most. Here we go.
What's that face for? Is it an Impossible Burger?
I mean, it kind of tastes like meat a little bit.
Just beans.
You can tell it's beans. But I actually like the meat flavoring they put in it. I can't tell if it's like a steak sauce or a Worcestershire sauce. Overall, it's not too bad. It's better than I thought it was going to be. Would I order this off a menu? No shot. Wouldn't do it. But to try it here, it's not too bad.
For the vegans and vegetarians out there, do you think this would make them feel like, okay?
This will give you that illusion that you're eating a hamburger. If you gave this to somebody that didn't know it was an Impossible Burger, they might think it's a little off, but it could still pass as a burger. One more thing about this Impossible Burger, after further deduction, it tastes like a breakfast sausage. Honestly, it just tastes like a sausage. So if you think a burger should taste like that, this isn't too bad. And like Ashley said, for the vegans, for the non-meat eaters, vegetarians, this could pass. This could easily pass as a burger. So overall, not bad. Would I get it again? But I like meat. So can you blame me? Last but not least, the thing Ashley is destroying right now.
Trying to get the onions.
She's trying to get it all. This is the chimichurri skirt steak by Flavor by Fire. This is the ESPN Game Day booth. Ash, she's a big time meat eater. That's good. Alright, it's my turn. Holy crap, that's good. That chimichurri sauce is so sweet with the charred skirt steak. Holy mackerel. And from what I've heard, people have been coming back for seconds from everything. Multiple burgers, this, the corned beef. This is from what I've just heard standing in line. It's been one of the biggest hits of the entire festival. So this is over here across from Figment, Journey into Imagination with Figment. It's across the way, Flavors by Fire, ESPN Game Day. Oh man, this is amazing.
I swear.
Last bite already? So good. So that is going to do it for our little trip around World Showcase. We visited 15 different booths from around the country. And I think our favorite drink was the coffee chocolate milk thingy from Belgium. That was really, really good. It was basically like drinking coffee chocolate milk. It was really, really good. Ashley's favorite dish was the ravioli from the Italy booth. And my favorite dish was the venison stew from the Alps booth that was located in front of the Norway Pavilion. So I'm glad you guys stuck around. That was a lot of fun. I wasn't sure if we'd be able to do it all. We had this whole list of booths we wanted to hit and foods we wanted to try. I wasn't sure if we'd actually be able to do it all, but we were able to. So I have one more thing for you all, but I'm going to save that till after I finish this little spiel. One thing you guys got to remember, or things to note for future events. The closer you are to the conclusion of said event, so we're almost done with the Food and Wine Festival now. Everything, or most of the food and wine merchandise is 25% off. So Ashley got a shirt jacket, 25% off. She got her ears, 25% off. So that's one really good thing to know going forward is when these events start winding down, discounts start to pop up. Also, use gift cards for if you're doing kind of like what we did. We had the little wristband gift card. It's just pop, you know, walk up, bam. And even the cast members like them because they just scan it with the gun and they move on. Ashley, am I missing anything else? Oh, she wants, time out. She wants to show you the wristband. Here it is. It's just, whew, can I get the focus? No? There you go. Yeah, it just slides on your wrist. Piece of cake. And like I said, it made everything so much easier. So I have one more ride for you all, but this is it for me. I'm gonna see you guys in the morning. We are headed to Hollywood Studios. We have a character breakfast, and then it's kind of go by, who knows? We'll just follow the wind tomorrow, because we really have no plans. It's just character breakfast, Hollywood Studios. After that, we'll play it by ear. So, like I said, I'll see you all in the morning. I hope you enjoy this last little snippet of how we ended the night.
Sending photo to the future. All systems are go. Linking you now to your guide.
Like a grand and miraculous spaceship. 15,000 years to come up with the next
United States to the future. Or should I say, your future? Here in your future, staying healthy is as easy as getting out of bed in the morning. You can get daily health checkups by stepping into your home health scanner. The info goes to your doctor, who lets you know what your body needs to keep you going strong. Things are A-OK. And now you're ready to start your healthy day. While you're getting the exercise that you love, sensors in your clothing will keep track of your vital signs, making sure you get the ultimate workout. And sensors will even relay your health info to a smart menu, which guides you to healthy food choices customized to your tastes. You'll live a longer and healthier life, enjoying the outdoor adventures that you love. So take a leap into your future. It's too good to miss. The end. Or
Ladies and
should I say, the
gentlemen,
beginning
our time travels have
of
been
your
momentarily
future.
delayed. Please remain seated.